Hello everyone, this is a video on how to chase birds in the park. I know growing up as babies, we would always chase birds. You see over there, he's chasing a bird because that's the fun thing to do as a child. You know, you always want to chase a bird. So I want to bring that to adulthood and be able to chase birds as adults. You know, because why not? It's so much fun. And by chasing birds, I don't mean chasing women. That's a whole separate, I don't mean chasing women. That's not what I mean at all. I mean chasing actual birds. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now step one to chasing birds is that you're gonna have to use binoculars in order to find them. No idea where they are, you're gonna have to just zoom in.
Shiv, why do you need binoculars? They're right there.
Huh. You're right. How was I supposed to know? Everything was zooming in. I'm not drunk, I swear. And if you're trying to chase a bird, this is very important. This is a warning. You can't fly. You can't try to fly. If you try to fly, this is what will happen. That's what will happen. If the bird's not coming, you're gonna have to make a bird mating call. Not to mate with the bird, that's disgusting. But in order to bring it towards where you want it to be. Also, in order to successfully chase the bird, you might have to feed it some food. And it could be any food. You never know, the bird might even like kale because it's good for its digestive system. I don't know, Look.
Throw it at him, Yeah. Something tells me. Dude, they really don't want the spinach.
They want the spinach.
No, they don't.
They need their veggies.
They don't want the spinach.
I want more bird poop. Now, whenever you chase the bird, you're gonna have to sprint after it. They're pretty fast creatures. So you're gonna have to go into a full-blown run. Now, if the bird flies away, keep running after it. Never stop running. Eventually, you'll catch up. Now, if you follow those steps, you'll successfully be able to chase a bird and maybe even capture it.